Okay.
We believe in being honest, true, chaste, benevolent, virtuous, and doing good to all men. Indeed, we may say that we follow the admonition of Paul. We believe all things. We hope all things. We have endured many things and hope to be able to endure all things. If there is anything virtuous, lovely, or praiseworthy, which one is it? I don't know.
Let's start over. If there is anything.
If there is anything virtuous, lovely, or of good report, or praiseworthy, we may seek after these things. Yeah!